Welcome to our video on Wix 5 Custom Action Best Practices. If you're a developer or a website builder using Wix, you know how important it is to customize and extend the functionality of your site. In this video, we'll explore the world of custom actions in Wix 5, discussing what they are, why you need them, and most importantly, how to use them effectively. Custom actions allow you to add unique functionality to your website, making it stand out from the crowd and providing a better user experience for your visitors. But with great power comes great responsibility, and that's where best practices come in. By following these guidelines, you'll be able to create custom actions that are efficient, scalable, and easy to maintain. In this video, we'll cover the essential concepts and steps involved in creating custom actions in Wix 5. We'll dive into the different types of custom actions, how to plan and design them, and what to keep in mind when implementing them. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to use custom actions to take your Wix website to the next level. So, let's start with the basics. What are custom actions in Wix 5? Simply put, custom actions are reusable pieces of code that allow you to perform specific tasks or operations on your website. They can be triggered by user interactions, such as clicking a button or submitting a form, or they can run automatically in response to certain events. There are several types of custom actions, including server-side actions, client-side actions, and database actions. Server-side actions run on the Wix servers and allow you to interact with external APIs, databases, or file systems. Client-side actions, on the other hand, run in the user's browser and enable you to manipulate the page content, handle user input, or trigger animation. When planning a custom action, it's essential to consider what you want to achieve and how it will impact your website's performance. Ask yourself questions like, what is the purpose of this action? How often will it run? And what data will it need to access? This will help you determine the best approach and ensure that your custom action is efficient, scalable, and secure. Once you have a clear idea of what you want to build, it's time to design your custom action. Consider the user experience, the flow of events, and how the action will interact with other parts of your website. Think about error handling, debugging, and testing, all crucial aspects of creating robust and reliable custom actions. When implementing your custom action, keep in mind best practices such as modularizing your code, using descriptive variable names, and following Wix's guidelines for coding standards. This will make it easier to maintain and update your custom action in the future. So what are from our discussion on Wix 5 custom action best practices? First, remember that custom actions allow you to add unique functionality to your website, but they require careful planning, design, and implementation. Consider the type of action you need, its purpose, and how it will impact performance. Plan your custom action carefully, thinking about user experience, flow of events, and interaction with other parts of your website. Design with scalability, security, and maintainability in mind. When implementing, follow best practices such as modularizing code, using descriptive variable names, and adhering to Wix's coding standards. That's all for today's video on Wix 5 custom action best practices. We hope you found this explanation helpful in understanding how to create effective custom actions that enhance your website's functionality. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative content on web development and Wix tips. What's next? Take action. Start planning and building your own custom actions using these best practices. Experiment with different types of actions and see how you can use them to improve user experience and achieve your website goals. Happy coding, and we'll catch you in the next video.